Guys, to start with, so we are starting with the back panel of it. So as you can see that these are the lining parts of it, and we have marked 1 inch allowance over here. So we are just stitching to back lining part first of all. As you can see that this is lightweight muslin. Okay, so this 1 inch actually is to be converted into a pleat. That's why I'll show you again. Wait. Stitch it on a 1/2 inch allowance. ये बताइए ये क्या किया आपने?
ये पीछे में सेंटर बैक में
प्लीट
फोल्ड रहेगा।
हाँ।
जो एक प्लीट बनेगा अंदर की साइड में,
हाँ
जो फोल्ड रहेगा ताकि जब मूवमेंट होता है ना
हाँ
तो लाइनिंग अंदर से खींचता नहीं है।
हाँ
ठीक है, तो सबसे पहले आपको स्टार्ट करना है 1 इंच से। 1 इंच स्टार्ट करके फिर आपको ऐसे डायगनली 1/2 इंच करना है।
ओके,
1/2 इंच करने के बाद फिर बाद में 1/2 इंच
पर स्टिच।
फिर से डायगनली ऐसे चलने के बाद आपको स्ट्रेट वापस आना है।
ओके,
ठीक है,
फिर यहाँ पर ये आप अंदर को आ गए थे?
हाँ अंदर आ गया ना, ये लाइन,
ये बाहर आ गए थे मतलब?
लाइन पे आ गया ना मैं।
अच्छा,
1 इंच।
कितना नीचे तक आना है वो? डार्ट के पास तक?
हाँ, डार्ट के पास तक।
ओके, सो बेसिकली गाइस पहले आप स्टिच कर लीजिए फिर बताता हूँ। So guys, this is the back panel, and as you can see in back panel, just a moment. So guys, as you can see in back panel, we have stitched this line. So we are supposed to come nearly 1 inch, like 1.5 inch down. Then we are supposed to go inside like a V kind of a thing. Then we are supposed to stitch it at 1/2 inch till we have the line for the dart. So the upper point of the dart and this point has to be matched equally, like they can be near about, and then again you have to do a diagonal line and then basically stitch all over again. So basically the stitch line is going to be like this, then again you go this, then you go 1/2 inch again over here, and then if there is this dart point, then you have to come out again, and then you have to stitch at 1 inch again. So this is 1 inch, this is 1/2 inch, this is nearly 1.5 inch, 1.5 down, 1/2 inch till 1/2 inch, then till the dart point, then again at 1 inch, and then stitch it all over again straight. And guys, we are stitching the back part of it. In this we have to stitch at 1 inch wala line completely, nothing to be done in this, like a straight line is to be followed at the back panel of it, just a straight line. Yeah, so the back is stitched. Now we are stitching the darts at the back. So it's a fish dart. So Bahad Bhai is marking it, the crease part of it, and then the lines as well. So now we are stitching the dart in the main fabric at the back, in the back panel. As you can see, Bharat Bhai has not taken the point on the dart and he has made it curved. Like here. Like as you can see in this particular point, no, he has not taken a pointed point, but he has made a curve while stitching it itself. So this is the second dart which we are stitching for the back part in the main fabric. Again, not taking the point, just maintaining the curve in the dart itself. Yeah. So the back part is ready with all the stitching done. Similarly, we have to do it for the lining of the back as well. We have to close the darts in the lining. Yeah. Stitching the back darts in the lining. Similarly, we have to stitch the second dart as well.
एक बॉटम एक टॉप, ये दोनों चीज़ हमें ऐसे उठानी है, ठीक है।
हाँ हाँ।
फिर बॉटम का ये नॉच जो है उसे मैच करके हाफ इंच सीम अलाउंस से हमें इसको
स्टिच करना है। So guys, basically we have to match the notch of the sleeves at the sleeve hem, and we have to stitch our sleeves at half inch allowance, right over right basically.
सेम मिरर इमेज से फिर दूसरा पार्ट भी हमें रखना है।
Same is to be done with the second part of it, the same mirror image. Continue. It's the second sleeve in the same stitch line at half inch allowance. So half of the sleeve is done.
अभी ऐसे नॉच मिलाएंगे ना, नॉच मिला के फिर इसको बैलेंस करना है ऐसे।
Okay.
ये बैलेंस होना चाहिए स्लीव का, कहीं से भी
Back side.
हाँ।
So guys, we are supposed to balance out our sleeves, and basically दूसरी side जब stitch करना है, we are supposed to match the hem of it and then stitch the second side of the sleeve. So as you can see, the first seam will come in the front itself, and we are stitching the second seam of it. See, again maintaining the same notches and balancing the sleeves. Taking the second stitch for the second sleeve. So both the sleeves are stitched of the main fabric. So guys, that's how the sleeve would look after stitching. It's the inside of it. So we have placed the fusing at it's the 2.5 inch, and इसके ऊपर place करना है जो hem है, ये extra part था, जो ऊपर टर्न अप होगा. So basically this is there, and this is the stitch line which we have taken, this one and this one. So that's how your sleeve will look. Okay. Yeah. So both the sleeves are done. Now we will continue with the front part of the jacket. Now guys, we are stitching the lining part for the sleeves, and it has to be done same way as we did for the main fabric. So guys, for sleeves we are supposed to have 2 linings and 2 main fabrics. So they both have to be stitched in the same manner and has to maintain the balance from the bottom hem. Now here we are stitching the interlining part with the lining of the jacket, the front part of it. So single layer pakad ke we are supposed to stitch. Yeah. Half inch allowance has to be maintained over here as well. So the lining is stitched with the interlining part. Now this is for the second part of it. So both the front lining and interlining combination is done. So guys, this is the front interlining part of it. Can you hold the mic?
Yeah, sure.
So as you can see, this is the lining part, and this is the actual main fabric with fusing done inside it. So we have stitched this and we have ironed it as well. We are also supposed to close this dart as well in a meanwhile. Yeah, guys. So in this part we are doing the front dart part of it. As this dart would be nearly very close to the allowance part which we have stitched around. So we just need to figure it out while stitching. Make sure you take the points equally. So this is the front part dart which we are stitching right now. So the front dart is stitched in the front part of it. बराबर इसका जो अलाउंस आएगा ये इस साइड को आएगा कि डार्ट के ऊपर आएगा? ये देखिए ना एक बार पीछे मुड़िए। हाँ मैं पूछ रहा हूँ ये जो अलाउंस आ रहा है ये किस साइड बोलेगा? इस साइड बोलेगा किस साइड बोलेगा?
चलो मैं सबको आयरन करके दिखाता हूँ।
मैं एक बार वाले पार्ट का बता देता हूँ। सारा आयरन कर लेता हूँ। नहीं वो ऐसे ही रहेगा, उसमें डार्ट आ गया ना। पकड़िए। डन। Now we are supposed to iron all the pieces around it, like all the seams has to be flat seam opened